I took my wife's phone and I was glancing through Facebook. Then I came across something that they said a lady in Ghana has a sexual match with a young man. And people who want to watch are to be charged to go and watch it. Have we gotten to that?
Ahwefo mwakwa ba Xposed GH so na unim say na no ye wo hanom na Shugatiti eye interview mu no obeka say Nirias mo ba e fitini mbofrem anaso start say odi mpema gro ebesi ene no ade a efe no orgasm ana bia so oba ho be sane no ana oba be kan me no like ono no or experience bi da e won life mu na okasa asem na enkofo won ye because Shugatiti de enimu no no promote sex toys any sanyo nti enu so gay de no be de yi papa na fe so orgasm de bia we have so many time because anyo ma no use a boost wo sexual system when I say sexual ten ye be kan be fa ni be yen fa ni sa na we na this answer be to dwane ma Kenaze American porn star so who that video no ka say when they say I say who be that I'm sorry I'll help you metimi aboa ma so wa feel that ade friend orgasm and I say karma and I say bi and na muso memu nsem bebre and I say ochina say ameko bie mu say and almost set date and I almost set sex match na so me no say sex match you in life no be ahwe bi na wetimi kwan obefa so be ma get no why den Shugatiti wan sane no na asane no adofo we ni sema na ekoso be pie mu so mu hia $25,000 cramp na say the sponsor na support sa ade ye baso na ene den so so penny Elvis Agyemang Pastor Elvis Agyemang of Alpha Award na say no so ni social media on the name na wakopie so no say so Ghanaians have you gotten to that Ghana Ghana e Kristo man no afei enwuma we na bebia Ghana edunu no sa afei sex match live sex match na afei bebia say ye be promote this ka be say ye no bia say eye abofru ana say time po say ye be kasa ensem we e wo social media so adofo ni buafu ye bana no nso adwiri ni ye pa say na ye ade be ka say Ghana ye Christopher man Ghana ye Christo man then Christian nation ya ade no sa nyoma we koso o man mu no chese ono kra no ne sia fem na homete yenkotie Pastor Elvis Agyemang enum nsem embra
and my heart beats for Christians ye ka bibia che omomuntie the only thing that speaks to Christians are problems. The only language that can humble believers now are problems. If not, o kashi tenu ntie da bone no bedi ayo modwin so manya ye o modwin so manya asofo. Many people think it's their pastors that they are running, it's their dad that they are running, but you don't know they do yourself. Yes. Recently, I took my wife's phone and I was glancing through Facebook. Then I came across something that they said a lady in Ghana has a sexual match with a young man. And people who want to watch are to be charged to go and watch it. Have we gotten to that? Have we gotten to that? Young men and women, have we gotten to that? It didn't start now. The oppression of the soul started, and there are people who were commenting, saying, we can't wait. We can't wait. Open sexual bout. You can't wait. This is the generation we find ourselves. This is the generation we find ourselves. It didn't start from now. Right now, nakedness has become common. Sexual talk has become common. The souls of young people have been worked on. Very soon, murder will be common. You can't wait in very soon people pulling guns to shoot others will be common. What is happening in America? Very soon. The way we have adapted everything about them. Very soon. The thing that is dangerous there will start happening here. If we don't confront what is evil. Sexual bout. Young people are celebrating it. And a young African Ghanaian lady is not ashamed. Oh, you can insult me. You can attack me. But I'm against such evil. I'm against such evil. It shouldn't even cross our minds. And if we allow such stupidity, very soon we will have to allow another wickedness. People will have, children will have guns around them. There will be hoods. You can't enter. They will face police with guns. Let's be careful. Sin creeps gradually. It creeps gradually. Then it starts to step there. Inti enayeti se dwaman kwa akoso asori enye hu biem. Yetwe se yehu se nipa mienu bo etwe mpra wa asori, and it's not just a courtship for marriage, pure courtship for marriage, but it is sleeping around her. Nipa mfere so obeka se me koda me boy. You see mfere biem. Mfere enyi yehu. Enyi yehu. Da mo fa bi me chira mani so. Let's do one or two and then we.
Ahwefo we ni nsem a osefo e de etu dwana asem ne de eyehu ye because just say the way a nipa so ma ye boje so, to be honest with you, I dey trendy here for be just say 1 week rana still Nasir and Shugatiti trendy e pa okrampo e be reach say Nasir abaga na ne nsensem just say nsem de mu dosu yi na we ni nsem a Elvis Agyemang opinion about this say like it's very disgusting say ebetimi support and promote sanyuma we on social media. And then also kafa sansem we aha anam do besi na na yebo na ne dey me no atwetwe nkomon makra mu nyina bye bye.